Hi there, my name is Mike and I'm here to tell you about ECU Check, a unique new service which allows vehicle repair and diagnostic centres, resale outlets and lease return inspectors to determine whether a car has had its engine ECU modified. The remapping industry has shifted focus in the last 10 years or so from what was once an exercise in tuning to one which now concentrates heavily on the deletion of troublesome emission systems. If you're watching this at some point, it is highly probable that you've had a problem with a vehicle that has exhibited a variety of mysterious issues that just don't make any sense. ECU Check gives you the power to investigate these problems in an efficient and cost-effective way. A disturbing number of cars and commercial vehicles have been remapped as part of disabling things like the diesel particulate filter or the AdBlue system or the EGR. When you come across one of these vehicles, whether for servicing or repair or resale, it can be a deeply frustrating experience if it has faults that you just can't diagnose, and this is where our service comes in. This is the hardware. We have the Alientech KES 3 ECU programming tool, which comprises of the unit itself, a USB cable for connection to PC, an OBD cable for direct connection to an OBD socket, power supply, and a variety of direct pin connection cables for connection to an ECU that's been removed from the vehicle. We also have, if you don't want to use the direct pin connection cables, specific harnesses such as this one, which have been designed to connect to the connector on an ECU without having to use the individual pins. This one is for a Bosch MD1. When connecting to an ECU, whether it's via an OBD link or directly to it on the bench, the necessary communication protocols are chosen in the Alientech suite software. This is done either by choosing the vehicle manufacturer and model or by selecting the ECU type if you already know what it is. The vehicle coverage is extensive, with just about every passenger and light commercial vehicle from the last 20 years included. In this example, we can see the protocols for an Isuzu D-Max being selected via the vehicle lookup method. Once the software knows how to communicate with the car's ECU, the operator can proceed to take a read from it. With this Isuzu, it can be done through the OBD port. If you check our YouTube channel, you can watch a video dedicated specifically to this car. Obtaining the read generally only takes a few minutes, although some will be longer. After following the instructions, the read will complete and the software creates a file which needs to be named and saved to the PC. This is what will be uploaded to the ECU Check website for analysis. The website includes a registration lookup service which gives you basic information about the car. When the file is uploaded, it will be compared to hundreds of thousands of original files contained within the ECU Check database, and once this comparison is complete, the site will display the results. In this case, the vehicle is standard and unmodified.